Today is a good day. Not only do we got the beats, we have fantastic Android news today. We got two new pieces of information that should encompass everybody as far as if you're looking for a new device, if you're a Samsung user, and if you have a Pixel. Big news for you today. We not only have the January security patch update released for all Pixel devices, and we will jump into the bug fixes and see what is repaired in the newest build of Android. And we will also get into the Samsung Galaxy S24 pre-orders are live. Well, I guess reservations, but nonetheless, I have the key to get you over $1,000 off of your next Samsung Galaxy device. Yes, that's correct. $1,020 off of your Galaxy. As I mentioned yesterday on our news that broke in regards to the S24 Ultra. Their AI features all throughout the device, as well as a new cinematic mode that was leaked yesterday. So coming off of that news, I thought I had saved up a couple days of information, and I did my recording yesterday. Not as soon as I get off, but I ended the live stream, put the video out. A few hours later, midnight rolls around, pre-orders go live. I'm like, God damn. I was like, well, I know what I'm going to record about tomorrow. So, as I mentioned, we got the beats and we got the news. Let's go. January 2024 Android security patch update has arrived for Google Pixel devices. This month's security patch fixes a handful of bugs. The January 2024 security patches are rolling out to Google Pixel devices and tablet. So this includes all Pixel phones, I believe, down to the 5A, Pixel tablet, and Pixel Fold. This month's update mostly only fixes bugs. We will jump into that, don't you worry. And it keeps your Android device secure as well, so you won't be getting any harmful viruses. Now, let's see. Get rid of these dumb ads. The rollout will continue over the next week in phases, depending on the device and the carrier. Even if it's an unlocked model, they're sometimes weird with these updates, right? And I say that because, let me change the view here so we can get a little bigger view. I say that because sometimes with these Pixel devices, so we'll jump back into the bug fixes, but so basically over the next week, I wouldn't say week, probably even about 5 days, everybody should be updated. But there's a couple different ways that you can trick your phone into updating. Now, you can update it like right this second if you want to. I have a video. Now you're gonna have to pull the zip file and flash it. It's really easy. I do have a video. What is it called? I'll probably link it in the description box below. So if you want to go ahead and flash it and be on the latest update, be my guest. It's pretty easy. It only takes a few minutes, and you can do it right from your Chrome browser. It's a web-based Google tool. It's not some XDA developer that you got to download the software. No. This comes straight from Google, and you do it right in Chrome. It's pretty cool now. But if you don't want to mess with that, here's a couple tricks I do to not necessarily force update your device, but simply first go to settings go to settings and then search for updates or update. And then go ahead and check right now in your operating system. If it says no update, restart the device. Physically power it off and then wait a few seconds and then power it back on. That's worked for me in the past. And then another thing is, while the device is still on, in let's say your home or at an office or somewhere with Wi-Fi, disconnect the Wi-Fi, physically turn the Wi-Fi off, I'm talking about the Wi-Fi module in the phone, not just disconnect, but actually physically turn the Wi-Fi off on the device for a few seconds, turn it back on, connect to your network. Sometimes that, and then check your update once again. Sometimes that has tricked the server, or not necessarily tricked, but it disconnects from the server and reconnects to the server, a fresh reconnect. In the past it's worked. So those are the two things that have worked for myself. Mine, if you don't want to flash it, which I understand if you don't want to mess with it. But here's the other thing: if you're on beta software, my Pixel's on beta. The betas, if you're on stable Android 14, you have not got on the beta software, this update is available for your device. If you're on beta software like I am, it usually takes, I would say, about 5 to 7 days, and then we get our update. For whatever reason, the beta version usually gets theirs a week after everybody gets theirs. I don't know why, but that's just how it's been forever. But let's see what the bug fixes are. All right. So they list their Android security bulletin. Shall we go there? Let's go there. Let's go to official source. So this is more of a security update than it is features. I just saw mainly a few bug fixes as we just went over. And but you're definitely going to want to update it as soon as possible. Just so you're on the latest security bulletin, so your device is not at risk for any potential issues like that chameleon banking Trojan that we reviewed just a couple of days ago. Very scary virus. It's, again, if you have not seen that video, I definitely encourage you to go watch it. Very scary stuff. So it's very important that you update your phone as soon as possible. Now, all the big news we've been waiting for. Let's jump into Samsung news, okay? Check this out.